1 year ago, our Johnian community came together on our Giving Day, raising a record-breaking amount for the Dobson Free Places scheme and for our boathouse renovations. We connected with Johnians around the world, and your support was truly humbling. Thank you.
Giving Day was an amazing example of the power our community can have when it comes together to support something that really matters.
It truly made me feel part of a global community.
A year on, we want to show you what your support has already made possible.
Thank you to everyone who gave to help renovate our boathouse. Because of you, we've now raised over £820,000 and completed the campaign. This has allowed us to finalise the renovation plans and submit the planning applications.
With these renovations, our boathouse will be transported into the 21st century. Soon, work will begin to improve lighting and ventilation, transform our weight training space, and improve the overall efficiency of the building. It's going to make a real difference to the rowers who use this space.
This would not have been possible without your help. Thank you.
When we set out to raise the funds for Dobson Free Places, to have at any one time 40 undergraduates studying here free of financial anxiety, to be honest, it was a daunting task. But Giving Day showed us what our Johnian community can do together. And I just can't thank you enough for being part of this transformational change.
As a result of your generous donations, 5 more students will receive pilot awards under the Free Places scheme this year. Your help has brought us one step closer to bringing this pioneering scheme to life.
Thanks to Dobson Free Places, I've been able to fully engage with my studies and all the different parts of college life, without having to worry about how I'll make ends meet. Thank you.
We've now raised over £20 million towards our £25 million goal for the Dobson Free Places scheme. We have £2.5 million left to raise in order to unlock a final £2.5 million in matched funding from an anonymous foundation. We have just over a year to finish the job, to secure this groundbreaking scheme for future generations.
Every pound you give will be doubled, so your gift will go twice as far, and each gift will bring us closer to the finish line.
So thank you for what you gave and for what it's already helped us to achieve. If you can, please consider giving again today to support Free Places at this crucial moment.